In front of me is TCL 50 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Now select Keyboard, on-screen keyboard over here, and finally Gboard. Following that, after accessing text correction, use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I go back, as you can see, my suggestion strip became visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!